For 10 seconds, the sun focuses all its power on Earth. You'd think that's good for solar panels. It's not. In less than a second, the air turns to plasma, the oceans to steam, and everyone who ever complained about winter suddenly gets their wish. For about half a millisecond. Imagine the sun deciding to play favorites and choosing only one planet. Normally, Earth receives just 0.004% of the sun's energy in an entire day compared to what the sun emits each second. Now all of that energy, every photon, every watt is aimed straight at us. The result? Earth gets about 2 billion times its normal sunlight. All at once. The moment the beam hits, the upper atmosphere reaches millions of degrees. Air molecules stop being chemistry and start being physics. Oxygen and nitrogen split apart, forming a glowing shell of plasma that blankets the sky in pure white light. Satellites? Gone. Clouds? Gone. Your retinas? Also gone. The oceans boil faster than they can expand, launching towers of steam that instantly ionize. Continents start to liquefy. Metal melts, rock glows, and tectonic plates try to pretend they're not part of this. Turns out, when you aim the sun at one planet, things go wrong fast. Who could have guessed? By now, the atmosphere itself has become transparent to X-rays. Those rays pass through, heating the layers below until the entire sky behaves like a furnace. The blast of thermal radiation wraps around the planet, a twilight inferno. Even the night side lights up, glowing like a dying ember. The moon, now unlit by the sun, shines only from Earth's reflected death light. Good news, you can see it clearly. Bad news, it's bright enough to cook you. At this point, the surface is stripped away like paint under a blowtorch. Mountains flatten, oceans vanish, and what's left of the crust begins to melt into magma spray. Earth briefly becomes a small, angry star, radiating more light than it has ever reflected. Then the beam shuts off. Silence. What remains is a scorched sphere. Missing half its atmosphere, but still technically a planet. A charred monument to humanity's bad science ideas. So yes, the sun could focus all its energy on Earth. Once. After that, it would have nowhere left to aim. Sometimes the only reason we're alive is because the universe hasn't bothered to notice us yet. If you enjoy asking impossible questions that make the universe feel a little too real, subscribe and tell me in the comments. What impossible question should we destroy next?